Welcome to my garden, and as you can see, I have a couple of problems that I need to get resolved in this video. I made these paver stones about a year ago, and as you can see, the weeds have swallowed them up. You could click on the link up top for a tutorial. The fence that I have here is not cute at all. And a couple of years ago, I laid these rocks around my garden, and before I did that, I put landscape fabric underneath it, and as you can see, it's not working very well. First, I'm going to tend to my garden. But while you're watching, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and like this video, and be sure to watch to the end, because when I'm finished with this garden, I'm positive I'm going to have glowing reviews. I had to dig up a few pieces of the rock border that I previously put down, and I'm going to use this concrete to reorganize it and lay it in a better way to where it could support a fence that I'm going to put up. The dirt area shows the outline of where my rock border used to be, so I pushed it back a little further. Y'all, I had to get on my hands and knees and dig up all my gravel again. This was the most time-consuming part of the whole ordeal. This plastic drop cloth from Dollar Tree is going to suffocate the weeds and keep them from growing around my garden. I used 2 boxes of this landscape edging to go around my fence and keep any other grass and weeds from spreading over into the garden. Oh, now that looks much better. Now the next hardest part was digging up my topsoil. This took me about 2 days and a lot of self-encouragement to do. This area is slightly lower, so it tends to flood during heavy rains, so I put down a few bags of topsoil to even it out. I'm going to do a really easy method of laying a brick border down using Paver Sand and some concrete. I filled in the cracks in between with the concrete as well, and I spread the concrete along the sides of the bricks. A bit of concrete paste is going to hold my paver stones in place. I decided to do a little bit of planting around my mulch, so I'm going to plant 3 Happy Return daylilies and an azalea bush. I really like daylilies. Like, no matter what I do, I can't seem to kill them. And in my book, I consider that the best plant ever. Now that all of the mulch is done, I could just lightly spray some water on the bricks and the concrete will start to cure. I bought 2 of these Cedar Gates from Lowe's. They were $30 each, and then I had to buy some extra wood, which luckily was on sale for only like $2 a piece. And I had to cut this wood down to size and into shape so it'll match the gate. Now for $60, I was a little mad because it still didn't cover the area that I needed to cover, and I had to get some extra wood in order to do that. So it was a whole lot of piecing together and screwing together in order for me to make this work. I'm sure there probably was a cheaper alternative, so if you know of one, just put a comment and let me know. I'm just curious. It ended up being a cute little fence though, but the pricing and the installation kind of got on my nerves. But it is doing the job, and that is keeping the dog out of the garden. So that's a plus. These 2 signs are some leftover Easter decorations that I didn't use this year, but now I'm going to put them to use in my garden. I made these mushrooms years ago using some terracotta pots and saucers. I'm repurposing this water pail that's been decoration in my yard for many years now. So I just wrapped the lights around this hole on the inside of it, and the battery pack, I taped it to the back part of it. I didn't want to put it inside the watering pail because it does tend to collect water in there. And even though this is a waterproof battery pack, I didn't want to take any chances. Okay, the sun is going down and it's getting dark, so it's time to glow up. Thank you guys for your support, and like always, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and ring the bell for future notifications. And I'm gonna catch you guys next time. Bye.